thanks again for joining me today. What you see here is another great boat from Starcraft, the EX22 FD4. It is a truly premium fish and cruise type of pontoon boat. So as you take the first couple steps aboard here, you'll notice these high back captain seats so that everyone can fish in comfort. They lean back, they recline, they're comfortable. Also, you'll notice the half gate here. So it is a half gate where you can put your trolling motor. We already have the trolling motor plug right here as well, so it's a nice, easy connector. So if you're going to do a little bit of trolling while you're out on the lake, it's a great option. As we come a little further back, you'll notice the first of two live wells on this boat. So if you're going to keep fish, or if you're going to, use one for fish, one for some sandwiches, some drinks, great options here with the live well on this boat as well. Come back here to the captain's seat, you'll notice another deluxe high back helm seat, so really comfortable for the captain. We also have tilt steering. We have a Helix 5 built-in fish finder to make sure you see where those fish are going, as well as Jensen's Bluetooth stereo system. Finally, a really cool feature on this boat we see is a high-pressure washdown system. So you plug the hose in here, turn this pump on, grab lake water. So if you get that nightcrawler dirt, any fish guts on your boat, you clean it right up on the lake, have your boat looking good again soon. With everything we sell, in-state delivery is included, as well as a safety package, on-water demo, and a full mooring cover. So if you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.